on the first day back at school. Just try to do this. Like this. Should you brush your teeth a little bit? Maybe. I think I got it. It's bleeding under your tooth, I saw.
Is there?
Uh-huh, look it.
That's a big person's tooth coming in. You don't need to force it out, Cole, if it's not coming.
Is it really wiggly?
Get it tomorrow.
No. I was pushing it this way and I heard it go pop, pop, pop. There it is. Oh, jeez. Right, right. Did you get it? It fell out? Lost my tooth, Mommy!
Lost a tooth?
Yeah, look it! Oh, jeez. This is really good. Look it!
I thought you were going to bed. How did this happen? Paul, did you just twist and was it totally not even ready?
Do you want me to put it under your pillow for you? Cole, do you want me to put it under your pillow for you? Do you want me to put it under your pillow for you, Cole? Do you want me to put it under your pillow for you, Cole? Wait, think of questions.
Cole, was it really even that loose? You just went nutso with the floss, didn't you? I didn't even know you had a loose tooth. Do you have any teeth left, Cole? You've lost so many teeth.
I've lost 8 now. That was my 8th.
Congratulations.
Mwah.
You're a pro, aren't you?
It hurts.
Well, probably because it wasn't ready to be pulled out. You probably could have waited another day or two, don't you think? Here, let's put in your
Give him a smile one last time.